Norfolk Southern, milepost 173.5, critical alarm. Hotbox north rail axle 237, train too slow. Norfolk Southern, milepost 173.5, critical alarm. Hotbox north rail axle 237, train too slow.
Wayside, answer tower.
177, Wayside.
177, go ahead, over.
Milepost CS 173.5, hotbox, critical alarm, north rail, axle 237.
Copy that, axle 237, hotbox alarm, milepost was 173.5, over.
Yes, sir.
Copy that, there, 177. Did you clear the detector, over?
We did not.
Copy that, did not clear the detector. Have you got the stop yet, over?
What was that?
Have you come to a stop yet there, 177, over?
Yeah, we're stopped.
Copy that, 177, I'll see if I can get your car number, over.
That's Dispatcher.
Go ahead, over.
We're stopped, got a critical alarm CF 173.5, waiting on Wayside to come back with us.
Alright. On your way there.
Yeah, okay to have six back, we're all stopped.
Alright. Call 177, over.
177.
177, just calling for Wayside for a hotbox alarm, over.
Yes, it did.
Copy that, on that OC detector is showing to be car 29 in your train, that's including your power, 29, over.
Car 29, including the power.
That is affirmative, it's showing to be a Delta Tango Tango X-ray 726234, over.
Delta Tango Tango X-ray 726234. Inbound said they cut that car out, so I guess I'll go see what's going on with it now.
Copy that there, 177, over.
You still there, Wayside?
Go ahead for Wayside, over.
We okay to pull it up to us, or do I need to walk back to it?
It's showing as a bearing temperature spike, we'll need to inspect. It's showing to be the next to last axle in that car, over.
Next to last axle, need to walk back, thank you.